Hello student, my name is Bahadur Mori and I am an English and SS teacher in Sahajanan English Medium School at Nathe Juna. And today we are going to learn about poem 3, Makaviti the Mysticate. Right, this is the standard 8 and chapter number unit 3 of this poem. Right, Makaviti the Mysticate. This is the part 1 of this video. Right. So very interesting poem this one. So please listen very carefully. Right. I hope you all safe and happy at your home. Right. Please hands free when you listen this video. So I'm going to read a poem and I will explain every line from my side and I give you best to explain you everything. Right. Okay, so without any further ado, I want to start the video. Do you have a pet cat? See, here the some before read we have to read. Do you have any pet? Do you have a pet cat? Right, cat. So in the modern world now we have dog as a pet dog, right? So if you have a pet cat, so as you know that what happened in our house and all that. Second line, have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? So if you have a cat, and have you ever think about what is the mysterious, what is the suspicious thing about cat? What is the secret of a cat that you ever think? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery. Right, it's very difficult to say that it's a cat is very misty or not. That's very difficult to cat because cat is a very different varieties. In the cat, there is this species is different in the whole world different. Right, there are the large number of cats there are in the world. But Makaviti is one for sure. But here the Makaviti, the cat name is a Makaviti. So Makaviti is one of for sure. That means the Makaviti has some mysterious, some mysterious thing that have a Makaviti. What is it that? What is that makes him a perfect mystery cat? So which are the things that that this Makaviti cat become very mysterious? So the name of the cat, kind of cat, Makaviti cat. He has some mysterious thing. Which are the things that we are going to learn? Read the poem and find out. So which are the things which is very mysterious about the Makaviti cat? We will read and then we find out what exactly these are. So I am going to read a line of a poem. Makaviti is a mystic cat. Makaviti is a mystic cat. He called the hidden poe. Say, he called the hidden poe. That means you find out and he called the hidden poe. For he is a master criminal who can defy the law. Right. So Machiavelli is the mystic that he called in the hidden poe. That means he just called anyone to the hidden way. And four, he is a master criminal who can define the law. So he is made a very criminal's way, and they cannot be defy the law, and we cannot recognize who did this. Is the blasphement of Scotland Yard and the flying squad despair. So whenever the squad, in the Scotland is the area names, location name, and the flying squad, that is a squad name, police team name. So when the police came to and find out the Makaviti, he just disappeared. If there is a crime, so there is a crime. It's a very hide way, and when the police came to catch the Makaviti, they not find out anything like this way. The Makaviti just disappear. There is a crime scene, and the police came to a particular crime place. So they show, and there is nothing find out. Right, like this way, Makaviti just disappear. For when there is the scan of crime, Makaviti is not there. So the police, the flying squad came to it there is no cat and all that. Cat just disappear. Makaviti, there is no one like Makaviti. That means there is no one like Makaviti. Makaviti just disappear. He just did the many things, but no one knows that like this way. He has broken every human law. He just broken every human law. That human made the law is every broken by the Makaviti. He break the law of gravity, also break the law of gravity. So you can imagine the Machiavelli can stick on the roof way, so he know the gravity law. What is gravity, that right? His power of levitation would make a fakir star. That means they have a power that he can make a fakir star. And when you reach the scene of crime, Machiavelli is not there. So they make a they broke the many rules and laws made by the humans. And when the police came to catch to Machiavelli, but after the crimes scene happened, Machiavelli is not there. You may seek him in the basement. If you want to find to the Machiavelli in the basement, you may look up in the air. If you look at the up, if you look at the here, if you look at there, but Machiavelli is not there. But I tell you once and once again, Machiavelli is not there. But poet want to say that if you find out everywhere, but Machiavelli is not there, that I am sure. Machiavelli is a ginger cat, like a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. This is the physical structure of Machiavelli. Machiavelli is a ginger cat, and he is very tall and thin. You can see very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in, like this way in his eyes, and his brow is deeply and lined with the thought, and his head in the highly dome. This is the informatic lines that about the informatic, that means information about the Machiavelli's physical structure, his eyes and all that. Say here his coat is, here the structure, you can see the physical structure is now about the coat and his get-up structure. His coat is dusty for the neglects, and his whiskers around the uncombed. His whisker, that means his mustache, like this uncombed. You can see on face is uncombed, been uncombed. And he says his head from side to side with the movement like a snake. So he just shake his body like a snake here and there and come to here and there. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. When you think that he is going to sleep, he is asleep, but it's not asleep. He is just half asleep. He just come to there, he just get up and he just run away. Machiavelli, there is no one like Machiavelli, for he is a fiend in the feline shape, and the monster of the depravity. You may meet him in the by street, you may see in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Machiavelli is not there. The narrator is a T.S. Eliot. He just explained about the Machiavelli cat, very mysterious cat. There is a crime scene, there is no Machiavelli. Like this way disappear. You can see at the square, you can see it on the roadside, on the street, but whenever the crime scene happen, there is no Machiavelli. Some closely, new word over here. You can see a defy, that means disobey or resist openly. And disobey, that means not accept it, disobey it. Scotland Yard, that is the headquarters of the London Police Force. Scotland Yard in the first paragraph, Scotland Yard. Flying squad, here the group of police or soldiers ready to move into the action quickly. As you know, when the flying squad is there, but the flying squad also cannot catch the Machiavelli. Levitation, that means floating the air without support. They just levitating, that means floating, and they can fly on the air like this way without any support. And find, that means devil things, bad thing, criminal things spend. And feline, that means of or relating to the cat, like that means or relating to the cat. And depravity, that means moral corruption. Depravity, that means moral corruption, right? So now our poem is completed, right? Very interesting poem this one, because Machiavelli is very mysterious cat kind of, very critical to understand. Whenever the crime scene happen now, there is no Machiavelli. So when the fly squad want to catch to Machiavelli, but Machiavelli just disappear. So I hope this poem got it, and all the exercise and comparison check do yourself from the digest, right? So next chapter we will upload according to our timetable. So please stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.